Well, fam, time to find out if Jesus really was as cool as everyone says, and hopefully get some exclusive content for the channel.
Guys, I'm literally live streaming the birth of Jesus. This is about to break the internet in 2,000 years.
The birth was amazing, but honestly, I'm more curious about the walking on water era. Let's time jump to adult Jesus.
Yeah, I'm gonna stick to regular swimming. This guy's clearly got some serious upgrades I don't have access to. Would he give me an autograph? I mean, this guy's about to be really famous.
Guys, there's some kind of commotion ahead. Wait, is that guy about to do what I think he's gonna do? Holy, that actually worked. Well, there goes my dermatologist's business plan.
Guys, I was just trying to find a good falafel stand and
Wait, did those rocks just...
pause mid-air? Well, that's one way to end an argument.
And you, stranger, what do you think of this Jesus of Nazareth?
Well, he seems like a really good guy with some revolutionary ideas about love and forgiveness.
Guys, I'm witnessing. This is actually happening, the crucifixion of Jesus Christ.
I know I can't interfere with history, but
This is so much worse.
I've been here 3 days. What? Wait, no way. He's alive. What do I do? Oh, no, nope, I'm out. Well, this has been an incredible experience. Really makes me want to read the Bible more. Time to head back to my own time. Thanks for this amazing journey.
Wow. That was incredible. I can't believe that actually worked. Leave in the comments below where we should go next. See ya.